Good morning, everybody. So today let's start with chapter 3, reconstitution of a partnership firm, that is admission of a partner. So in 4 ways the firm can be reconstituted. One is with the admission of a new partner. The other one is change in the profit sharing ratio among existing partners, retirement of an existing partner, and a death of a partner. Today we'll be studying about admission of a new partner. When the firm will admit a new partner, when a firm requires additional capital or the managerial help, or if it has to expand its business, it will admit a new partner. So what will be the rights of newly admitted partner? The newly admitted partner will have a right to share the assets of the partnership firm and right to share the profits of the partnership firm. So in this chapter, we will be studying about new profit sharing ratio, sacrificing ratio, valuation and adjustment of goodwill, revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities, distribution of accumulated profits, and adjustment of partnership firm. So in today's class, we will be studying about new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio. How, when the firm admits a new partner into the company, how to calculate the new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio. So today we will study about new profit sharing ratio. So here is the question. Take a screenshot of it and write it in your notes. So Anil and Vishal are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. So Anil and Vishal are the old partners of the firm. So they were sharing their profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted Sumit as a new partner for 1/5 share in the future profits of the firm. So here Sumit is a new partner who is admitted into the firm. So he will be getting 1/5 share in the future profits of the firm. Now calculate new profit sharing ratio of Anil, Vishal and Sumit. Before, old partner Anil and Vishal were sharing their profits in 3:2. When they admitted Sumit as a new partner, 1/5 share is the future profits of the firm for the Sumit. So now we have to wholly calculate the new profit sharing of Anil, Vishal and Sumit. So now take a screenshot of it. Let us solve the problem now. So this is the solution. So Sumit is a new partner who is admitted into the firm. So his profit is 1/5. Correct? Sumit's share is 1/5. So the remaining share, if 1/5 of the share goes to Sumit, what is the remaining share? So let us take 1 is the share. So 1 minus 1/5. This is Sumit's share. That is equals to 4/5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. So 4/5 is the remaining share. So in this remaining share, Anil's new share is equals to 3/5. What is this 3/5? Earlier, the Anil and Vishal was sharing in the ratio of 3:2. So 3/5 was the old share of Anil. Now the remaining share is 4/5. So this 3/4 of 4/5 is equals to 25. How it came? 5 5s are 25. 3 4s are 12. So 12/5. Next, Vishal new share. What was Vishal's old share? It was 2/5 of now remaining share is 4/5. So 2/5 of 4/5 is equals to 8/25. 5 5s are 25. 2 4s are 8. So now the new profit sharing ratio of Anil, Vishal and Sumit will be, Anil's will be 12 and Vishal's will be 8 and Sumit will be getting 1/5. So 12:8 is the 5 is the new profit sharing ratio when Sumit was admitted into the partnership firm. So this is a simple problem. So let us see the second problem. The same new profit sharing ratio. This is the problem. Take a screenshot of it and write it in your notes. Here, Ram and Shyam are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. So the old partners are Ram and Sham. They were sharing the profits in the ratio of 3:2. So they admit Ghanshyam as a new partner. So Ghanshyam is a new partner. Here Ram surrenders 1/4 of his share and Sham 1/3 of his share in favor of Ghanshyam. When they admit Ghanshyam into the firm, here Ram will give 1/4 of his share to the Ghanshyam and Sham will give 1/3 of his share in favor of Ghanshyam. So now we have to calculate new profit sharing ratio of Ram, Sham and Ghanshyam. So let us solve it. See here. What was the Ram's old share? It was 3/5. What is it surrendered by Ram? What was the share surrendered by Ram for Ghanshyam? It is 1/4. So 1/4 of 3/5 is equals to 3/20. Correct? So out of 3/5, it's the old share of Ram. He is surrendering 1/4. So 1/4 of 3/5 is equals to 3/20. 4 5s are 20. 1 3s are 3. So next. So now Ram's new share will be 3/5. It was a old share and the new share 3/20. 3 old share minus new share. 3 surrendered share. Sorry. Old share minus surrendered share. 3/5 minus 3/20 is equals to 9/20. Got it? How you got this 9/20? Take a LCM of 5 and 20. 5 and 20. So 5 ones are 5. 5 fours are 20. So 5 ones are 5. 5 fours are 20. 20 is the denominator. And how much? 5 fours are 20. 20 ones are 20. So 3 into 4 is equals to 12. So 3 ones are 3. So 12 minus 3 is equals to 9. So you got it 9/20. So now Ram's new share is 9/20. Now Sham's old share was 2/5. So share surrendered by Sham is equals to 1/3. So his old share was 2/5 and the surrendering share of Sham is 1/3. So that is equals to 2/15. So 3 5s are 15, 1 2s are 2. 2/5 is the 15 is the surrendered share of Sham. So what is Sham's new share now? It is 2/5 is old share minus the surrendered share 2/15. So 4/15 is the Sham's new share. How you got 15? So take a LCM of 5 and 15. 5 ones are 5. 5 3s are 15. So 5 ones are 5. 5 3s are 15. So you'll get 15 as a denominator. And 5 how much are 15? 5 3s are 15. So 15 into 1, 15. So 2 3s are 6. Minus 2 1s are 2. So 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. 4/15 is the Sham's new share. Next. Ghanshyam's new share now. Now we have to calculate the newly admitted partner share. So Ghanshyam's new share is equals to Ram's sacrifice plus Sham's sacrifice. How much did Ram sacrifice? So Ram sacrifice, see the surrender shares. Share surrendered by Ram was 3/20 and the share surrendered by Sham was 2/15. So it becomes 60. How? Take a LCM of 20 and 15. So 5 4s are 20. 5 3s are 15. So 5 4s are 20. 20 into 3 is equals to 60. So 60 is the denominator. 20 how much is 60? It's 23s are 60. And 15 how much is 60? So 15 into 4 is equals to 60. So 3 3s are 9 plus 2 4s are 8. So 8 plus 9 is equals to 17. So 17/60. How this 16/70 came, you understood? So you have to take the LCM and you have to calculate 17/60. So now new profit sharing ratio among Ram, Sham and Ghanshyam is 27:16:27. So have you got this 27:16:17? So it's a share. The new share 9/20 plus Sham's new share is equals to 9/20 is the Ram's new share and Sham's new share is 4/15. So when you take the LCM of it, So when you take the LCM of it, 5 4s are 5 3s are. So 5 4s are 20. 20 into 3 is 60. So 20 how much is 60? It's 23s are 60 and 15 how much is 60? It is 15 4s are 60. So 9 3s are 27 is to 4 4s are 16. So 27 is to 16 is to 17 is the new profit sharing ratio among Ram, Sham and Ghanshyam will be 27 is to 16 is to 17. So this is the new profit sharing ratio. Hope you have understood the problem. So you have taken the screenshot of a question, I think so. So this is the answer for that. You can take a screenshot of it. So this is all about new profit sharing ratio. Next, we will learn about sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio. How we will get a sacrificing ratio? There is a formula for it. Sacrificing ratio is equals to old share of profit minus new share of profit. What? Old share of profit minus new share of profit. So here is a question. Take a screenshot of it and write down in your notes. So here the question is like this. Amar and Bahadur are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. So Amar and Bahadur are the old partners in the firm. They were sharing the profits in the ratio of 3:2. So now they admitted Mary as a new partner for 1/4 share. So they will admit a Mary as a new partner giving 1/4 share for Mary. Now the new profit sharing ratio between Amar and Bahadur will be 2:1. So they have given the new profit sharing ratio between Amar and Bahadur after admitting Mary, that is 2:1. Now we have to calculate their sacrificing ratio. So now we have to calculate the sacrificing ratio. So let us solve it. So Mary's share is 1/4. That is given in the question. They have admitted Mary in the firm by giving 1/4 share. So what is remaining share? 1 minus 1/4. So 4 into 1 1. 4 into 1 4. 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. So 3/4 is the remaining share. So this 3 share is to be shared by Amar and Bahadur in the ratio of 2:1. This 2:1 is given in the problem already. So now Amar's new share is what? This 2:3. Of which one? 3:4. Remaining share is 3/4. So 2 new share 2/3 of remaining share 3/4 is equals to 6/12. 3 4s are 12, 2 3s are 6. When you simplify it, you will get 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. So 2/4. It can be 6/12 or 2/4. Next, Bahadur's new share. Bahadur's new share is 1/3 of remaining share is 3/4. So is equals to 3 4s are 12, 1 3s are 3. Or 3 1s are 3 4s are. That is or 1/4. Now new profit sharing ratio of Amar, Bahadur and Mary will be 2:2. Amar's 2, Bahadur's 1 and Mary's 1. So 2:1:1 is the new profit sharing ratio of Amar, Bahadur and Mary. Now actual question is we have to calculate the sacrificing ratio. So what is Amar's sacrifice? So Amar's the old profit, what is the formula for sacrificing ratio? That is old share of profit minus new share of profit. So old share was 3/5 which is given in the question. So minus what is the new share of Amar? The new share of Amar is 2/4. So 3/5 minus 2/4. So 5 4s are 20. 20 and here 5 how much are 20? 5 4s are 20. 4 how much are 20? 4 5s are 20. So 3 4s are 12. 2 5s are 10. So 12 minus 10 is equals to 2. 2/20 is the Amar's sacrifice. Next, Bahadur's sacrifice. Bahadur's sacrifice is Bahadur's old share was 2/5 minus Bahadur's new share is 1/4. So 2/5 old share minus new share is equals to 3/20. How? 5 4s are 20. 5 how much are 20? 5 4s are 20, 4 5s are 20. So 2 4s are 8 minus 1 5s are 5. So 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. So 3 by 20 is the Bahadur sacrifice. Now sacrificing ratio among Amar and Bahadur will be 2:3.